up in a darker green, holding shade where the day had been. I breathed in cold that tasted clean and let the open silence in. Morning poured through splitting clouds, soft as wool on the ridge's brow. My tin cup rang on a river stone, small bright sound in a world of now. I followed trails where the deer step light, where the moss keeps the edges tight. Miles went slow in the